Hello everyone and welcome back to Watch Dogs. So in last episode, I killed Lucky Quinn, and now I don't know what my next mission is, but apparently I have to hack the TV to get the video. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as I have to escape the hotel now.
Squad to air support. Unknown suspect.
Uh-oh.
Track location and report back. Over.
I have to run for it.
Engaging suspect.
I need a car. Where's the car? Pooh. Flat on my face. Well, if not, looks like I'll have to...
T-Bone. It was Quinn after all. I'm uploading a video to you now.
A video? Of what?
You'll see.
Okay. Okay, time to run for it again.
All units, air support requested at once. Suspect is on the run.
We're going hot.
Oh, there we go. There's a car.
We'll do another pass.
Okay, time to run for it. To avoid making a scene. Oh no, dead end. Maybe I could hide out here. They will not know I was here.
We've got a patrol SUV in pursuit of suspect.
All I gotta do is just stay low. Then again, I could just park right here and they will not know I was even at the scene of the crime. So, okay, then again, maybe they will notice me. How about that? I escaped. Awesome. But I'm stuck.
So there I was, scribbling Mandelbrot set from memory when your girlfriend
Okay,
called.
time to use the boat.
Explain to me how you didn't know. What's her fucking name? Clara? Was the one who sold us out?
What are you talking about? Why would Clara call you?
You didn't know? She thought I'd trade for your sister.
What?
You think that's touching? I think it's fucking sad. How could you let her play you?
Leave her, Damien. I'm serious. Leave her out of this.
Did you forget? We're not partners anymore. All bets are off.
What has she done? Why would she call Damien?
Oh, Clara, what have you gotten yourself into?
Where are you, Clara? Come on.
Ah, there she is. Okay, let's see if I can fast travel to her location. Here we go. Oh, I can't fast travel? So I have to use a boat. No matter. Let's see. According to... Oh, I can... Okay, I need to do a U-turn. I can probably use the channel to get in. Just go straight through it, and I should be able to get to the other side. Ah. Oh, I hope Clara is alright. But still, wasn't that amazing? I managed to escape the police just by hiding out in that little area. That's probably pure luck right there. Okay, anyway, focusing forward, I have to save Clara. hopefully I get there in time. Oh boy. Wait, does the boat have a horn? Oh, it does! Awesome! Okay, let's see. Okay, so just take a turn here and loop around to that where the small island is. Let's see. Here's a good spot. Park right here and get out. Okay, Clara, I'm coming for ya. Just be safe. I mean, hopefully you are safe, Clara. Oh, I hope she is. If not, I can probably get a car. Let's see. Fire truck? Nope. Oh boy. Okay, I need to borrow someone's car. This will do. Oh boy. Oh. Hopefully she's alright. I hope she is. Cause...
Hey,
uh-oh.
a number of club cars heading your way.
Damien, what did you do?
Oh no. There's a hit on her. I have to get her out of there. Come on, Clara. Please be there. Ah, there she is. What? Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Was she the one? She was the one with... Oh, she was the one that was bringing the flowers. Okay. Are you still okay? Oh, no, Clara! Okay, get down, you. Get down. Die, you bastards! Die! Shit, Clara! Dang it. Oh god, are you nope. Oh, not good. So she was the one that's been leaving the flowers. That was kind of her.
Hello, Aiden. I can't decide where to begin. The first time I saw you, you were playing chess with Jackson in the park. Both of you still very sad from the funeral. I could see how you made him feel safe. In our world, we hide in the dark, behind monitors. That's the only place we feel safe. It isn't enough to say that I didn't know. That lives would be lost or that it was only a job. I thought if I could help you heal, help you find answers, maybe I could heal myself. But I can't. When this is all over, I hope we can at least talk. Or if not, at least I can't disappear. That's something I'm good at.
Well, Clara, it was nice knowing you. It really didn't have to be like this.
What have I done? I brought this on Clara. And all of this comes down to blackmail. 6-year-old girl dies because an old man wants to protect his secrets. Bloom. They can spin all they want to the press, but their hands are bloody. I'm done with secrets.
Well, at least I'm done Act 4. So that means only one act remains.
Pierce, tell me you got everything you wanted because I'm fucking tired.
It's Clara. She's
Forget her. You got enough to worry about.
she's dead.
Oh, no. Oh, god damn it.
I'm on my way back. It's time to end all this.
Okay, before I go any further, I might as well see how many missions I have left for Act 5, that is. Only one! Wow. Okay, so instead of rushing into Act 5, I'm gonna actually do some little side missions. Cause I might as well save Act 5, the final mission, for another day. So, let's see. Where shall I even begin? Let's see. I am here. Oh. Human trafficking. That's what I would do. So for now, I'm just gonna do some side missions and save Act 5 for another day. Still, I can't get over that Clara dying. No, well, she died. And yet... Should I feel happy? 'Cause I really don't feel happy about this. I feel terrible. Huh. Look at me, swimming around, trying to find a way out. It seems like that's what most people do. They try to ignore the pain, but it won't go away. I guess the only thing to do is accept it. Whether it happened or not, it's there. Anyway, so let's see about this human traffic side mission. Okay, so let's see. Quick lift for me. Alright, so where do I begin? Whoop, sorry sir. But I would take your money, thank you. Ah, here we are, auction bidder.
I can't wait to meet you. It's so exciting to think that I'll be dining with someone from Russian Russian royalty. I don't know anything about Russia at all. I feel so embarrassed. Don't you adore our beautiful city? Have you been here before? How long do you plan on staying? Goodness, I am prattling on. I am so sorry to keep you waiting, but this
getting
traffic
herself
is
into a lot of
horrendous.
trouble.
Order drinks, Mr. Shenkov. I'll be there soon. The club has a top chef at the country club. He's even been on television. Have a look at the menu.
Okay, so the briefcase. Where's the briefcase? Oh, it's way over here. Okay, to save time, I'll fast travel. Okay. Whoops, sorry! That was broken when I got here. Move it, people! Okay. Okay, time to pick up that briefcase. I wanted to drift into it. But sadly it did not work for me. Oh well. Okay, so the briefcase is around here somewhere. But where? Oh, do I interlude? Let's see. Okay, there it is.
There. Now everybody knows the truth about this asshole. I've got more on my list, and they're gonna lead me to their handler.
Okay. So, might as well go over here. Alright. So I might as well pause right here and get ready for the final mission. Thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe.